Today we'll talk about how can you enable Waze integration on your Amazon Music app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click here in this sign here, and just click on it. So when you just click on, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you click here on settings, click on it, then come to this list, then all you have to do, so then you go down, so you just keep going down here, so then you come here to with integration here, clicking this sign, then like so then it's going to take us to this list. So when you enable your OS, so automatically it's going to enable with you here on your Amazon Music app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.